Hello everyone, welcome back to QSlick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. After that, go to Domains, find your domain, click on your domain name, and then click Activate Gmail. View Setup Instructions. A list of Google Workspace MX records will be provided. Keep this tab open as you'll need to copy these records into your Squarespace DNS settings. After that, log in into your Squarespace DNS. Log in into your Squarespace account, go to the settings for your site. From your homepage, click Settings. After that, go to Domains, and in the Settings panel, click on Domains. Choose the domain you want to set up Gmail for. If you're registered the domain with Squarespace, select the domain from the list. If it's an external domain, use a domain our own, then connect to your external domain. Scroll down to the DNS settings section and click DNS settings. And after that, activate Gmail, return to your Google admin console, activate Gmail to confirm that you've updated your DNS records. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel.